Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about an error message which I keep getting after post installation process of Centos 6.8. You can just see the screen where I'm just typing the installation for a few things like yum update, which updates the whole OS. As you can see, we are getting an error message cannot find a valid base URL for repo:base. So this is the error we are getting, and I'm just trying to install the VMware tools, but even though I'm getting the same error. So I tried with several websites and several informations on the internet, and that's how finally I came with an answer. I got an information from a friend, and I just wanted to share with you friends, so that you won't suffer the same problem which I did. And I'm just trying to install the OpenSSH server. That too, I'm getting the same error message, cannot find a valid base URL for repo base. And we'll just go ahead with the fixing process. Okay, now I'm gonna start the process, which is I have the informations in a notepad. I will just type in the informations because copy pasting is not working in Windows and Linux OSs. So I'm just going on to the root directory, and I'm just entering mkdir, which is make directory, and I'm creating a backup file. And similarly, I'm just giving copy -r, and there is a command /etc/yum, that is a directory, and yum.repos.d /CAN, which is case sensitive, C capital EN star. After that, the same, the symbol /backup. Similarly, you have to type in the next command. You can see the command is getting accepted. Once it is completed, it doesn't show any error message. Both the two commands are successful. We are going on to the third command, remove command, rm space etc/yum.repos.d /send star, again C capital, which is the same, and it is asking some questions and options. We are just giving enter, and after that we are moving on to the copy of the URL. We have to copy the whole URL, and I'm going to type it, CURL space https:// which is secured, http secured, www.getpagespeed.com /files/centos6. Again, OS is small, so we're just giving the same URL, OS small 6 hyphen URL.repo space hyphen output space etc/yum dot repos.d slash Centos, again C capital OS capital hyphen base dot repo. So that's it. So once we give this, we are just double checking because the URL is manually typed, so just double checking everything. Getbitspeed.com, files, CentOS, everything is just going on. Just bear with me. Okay, that's it. Everything is perfect. So we can just give the enter. Okay, now we are getting received total, transmitted, transfer 0. We are getting some information. So I'm just moving into the desktop and just a minute, we're just checking a few informations. Okay, list option, we're just going. Okay, we are under the root directory, source directory. Just a minute. Okay, I'm just giving the same commands again. Yum space install VMware tools. As you can see, now we are getting the information from the internet, so the commands were working, so that is why you are able to get a reply. So that's it, my friends. So I've just pasted the Photoshop screenshot, and which is the same. I will be mentioning it in the description as well. Thank you.